Dude, a grilled cheese partnered up with dill.
Ooey gooey.
And pickle.
Cheesy wheezy.
Dude, I'm gonna show you the ultimate dill pickle grilled cheese. But before we get there.
Ultimate? I've never seen a dill pickle grilled cheese.
Well, that makes this the ultimate one.
Well, obviously.
Welcome to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over there's Nate. Right over there's Ethan. And right over there is a figment of your imagination.
Fairy dust. It doesn't exist.
Guys, if you like dill pickles, this is gonna be the grilled cheese for you. Truly, I don't know. Yeah, we could say it's just the dill pickle grilled cheese. But
griddled cheese.
This is the ultimate.
Griddled cheese.
Dill pickle grilled cheese.
Griddled cheese. It's always been on a flat top. Who calls it a grill?
That's a great question.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first.
So here's the facts. If you don't like dill pickles, this is going to be a problematic sandwich for you.
Yeah,
but
because it's a dill pickle griddled cheese. Griddled.
Yep,
I did it too.
Exactly. So we're going to go really interestingly hard on the dill front of this.
Jeez, take a little longer to slice the bread.
Slowpoke.
Oh, it's on.
Dude, you're about to be in Todd Tobin territory with those.
Oh gosh, I don't know, dude. That's a lot of bread.
No, it's good because you're gonna put a lot of cheese, right?
Yeah, it's true. It's gonna be just a perfect amount. Dude, I used a serious amount of loaf. Hey,
it was a
I'm gonna let you
loaf.
take care of that over there. Let's go talk about the griddle behind us, not a grill.
Griddled cheese.
Obviously. I've also heard conversation from people.
You hoid it?
I hoid it. That, I've heard this, you know, you could use mayo for this. Yes, you could.
I actually am not offended by that.
No, nor am I.
Whoa.
I know.
Whoa.
I know.
With the country crock.
I know. It's a lot of bread.
Whoa.
It's a lot of bread.
Is that necessary?
Probably not.
Dude.
Wow.
Yeah.
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 Just gonna go for it.
All right.
I've got my griddle set to low. That is really, gosh, that's a heart attack amount of butter. I mean,
this
holy
is gonna be the
shnikes.
grilled cheeses of grilled cheeses.
That's right.
Griddled.
That too.
Stop it.
Cut it out,
You stop
dude.
it.
You stop it. I've got this set to low.
Okay.
We want some slow cooking going on here. That actually is gonna need a second, so we probably should ring it and bring it for just a minute. We're gonna come back when that side's toasted, and you know what?
What?
Spoiler alert.
What?
That's gonna be the inside of the grill. Of the grilled cheese.
I know. Wonder
Yeah.
where you learned that.
Not gonna tell. We've had time to toast.
The toast time has completed.
Dude, look at that. Oh,
Whoa.
yeah.
I thought you were coming back over. Give
Yeah,
me.
nope. That's money. Okay,
Take a gander.
Gander? All right. Okay. Should we go just as heavy with the butter on the other side?
I don't know. Wait, you're toasting both sides?
Yes.
Can I make a suggestion? Because I'm your friend.
Okay, what is it? Hurry, hurry.
Pull these off, build, and then put the untoasted side on the outside, then toast. It's a lot of bread to get to the cheese to melt.
But if I do it now on the butter, then they're having independent time to melt.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna do me.
Okay.
You say you do you.
Hey, so this is okay.
Woo!
Oh, jeez.
Yep.
It's on a hot griddle. Just go for it. Come on.
No, get. Yeah, okay, go for it. Oh, dude. That's what I'm talking about.
Nice.
Wow. Wowzers.
Go, do. Yeah.
Wow.
There we go.
Whew.
This is Blackstone. We'll mess around.
That's a grown man over there.
That's a grown man right there. Okay. We're gonna start with some Havarti or Havarti.
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 This is a wickedly soft, melty cheese. So, whoa.
So,
I've got,
are you doing like cheese science? Because that's a lot of bread. You're gonna compete.
I don't know about cheese science.
Queso confrontation.
Okay, I like that. I like that.
Okay. So?
How much cheese?
Lots. All the cheese.
But what if we...
This isn't diet food.
No, it's not. You might die from the amount of butter I just
You're gonna add
used.
more cheese in that, right?
Yeah. Hold on. I gotta get...
It's a big dill. You're a disappointment angel.
Okay, come on over here.
Okay.
Look at this.
All right, here's the pickle component.
We got a pickle component.
Got it.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
now we're gonna go.
You're stacking.
I'm stacking.
Pickle stack.
It's a pickle stack attack,
I
Jack.
like it.
The quack attack.
Stack is back, Jack!
All right, see if I can't get some like interesting angles.
Oh, different
going
cheese
on.
too.
Yeah, different cheese.
Okay.
Okay. Now, dill.
What?
We're going more dill. It's a big deal, bro. Dill
Oh,
pickle
geez.
chips. Texture and flavor for...
A dill pickle chip?
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. No problem there. Dude.
More cheese.
More cheese. And you know what?
Dude.
Because I'm feeling
What
saucy.
What in the world have you done?
I know. We're creating a monster.
You know what happens when I get upset. That's it. I'm upset.
Hey, are you gonna pickle this side?
I don't know if I should pickle that side.
You gotta cheese it
Well,
here,
I-
though.
You know what? Let's pickle that side.
What?
Let's pickle it. I
They're
like
gonna-
where your head's at.
You're gonna fall off.
Nah.
Nah.
We're good.
You gonna cheese it again?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well, the cheese is holding in the pickles
Okay.
moisture from the crispiness and the chip
See, it's fashionable
ratio
and functional.
That's right. That's what I'm thinking.
Dude, I think it's about to storm on us. There's a storm cloud.
No.
What have you done?
No.
Zeus is upset with what you've created. What?
Oh dang! I'm like cheesing. It ain't easy being cheesy over here.
Whoa.
Yeah, we're gonna kill. Dude, we need.
Did you just kill the heat?
I've turned it on low.
Okay.
The bread is so tall, it's hitting the top of this. Bringing it. We'll be back in a few minutes. I don't even know what's going on here. This is absolute madness.
Something's happening.
It's the ultimate dill pickle grilled cheese. That's what's happening. Let's have a look-see, boys.
Good lord.
Bro, over here is bananas. Are you seeing that
Oh
bubbling
no,
cheese?
coming with you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bro. All right,
dude,
let's
the
get...
chips are hanging out?
Yeah,
All right.
it's melted over the chips. Okay.
Okay.
Come on. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Dude, this thing is dense. Like, it is a heavy,
Wow.
hefty. So obviously, with grilled cheeses, you gotta flip every now and then till you get perfection.
Yeah.
And boys,
We got perfection.
happened.
oh my gosh, it's like, we're like the grilled cheese brothers, or maybe
Hey, speaking of brothers, hey CJ, did you know?
Country kid, through and through. I got my bare feet bit by.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Ouch.
Did you know what the name of the actress who plays Dexter's sister is in Dexter?
Ooh,
Oh.
wow. I love that show.
dang it, I forgot, but
Sister.
It's Jennifer Carpenter, and
Yep,
she
that's
is
it.
actually married to Seth Avett from this. Also, new album drops May 17th.
knew what?
Album.
Speech impediment.
I said album.
When does it drop?
May 17th.
July 17th.
Okay. Bringage. That was interesting. Also, love Dexter. All right, dude. Let's see if this was a monster. Let's see if we got melty enough.
Dude, it's like a giant squirt on the outside.
Dude, oh, it is insane. You know what?
What?
I don't know how I feel, if that's melty enough right in there. I kind of have an idea.
What are you doing?
Should we just try it with one?
I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm thinking face
no.
down.
What?
I'm thinking face down. I've already turned my heat off.
Whoa, come on now.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do it with both of them.
All right. Anything?
Dude, they're
Dude,
holding together.
So you couldn't do this with little flimsy bread.
No, I invented something. I'm a genius.
Genius, genius, genius.
Well,
But also, look at
we'll
that
see.
perfectly cooked. Okay, He's-
No.
it's me. I think that's amazing. We're
How
gonna
long?
need a minute.
Are you sure?
No, never been done before. We're occupying new
Boldly
territory.
going where no man has gone before.
She's a man-eater. I don't know.
She's a man-eater.
Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up.
I think.
I thought you were going Sandlot first.
Whoa! Whoa! She's sliding.
Slip sliding away.
Dude. What? What the cheese?
What the cheese?
What the queso?
What have you done?
I don't know, dude.
Whoa. This might be, what did you call it? The,
The
grilled
ultimate-
cheese of grilled cheeses?
Dill pickle, the ultimate dill grill cheese.
It's such a big dill.
It's huge
Just
dill.
like you. I hate that joke.
It's really dumb, but this is not dumb. I'm not sure what else to say. I don't think anything else is needed. Oh, bro,
With the
I don't
cheese.
know.
Whoa. Did you double bite that giant behemoth? Pickly? Dilly?
I could have doubled up on the dill pickles.
Really?
Yeah.
Looked like you put a lot of...
Dude, I did. And we did. It's really good.
Wait, didn't you double up on the dill pickles? Andy told you to dill...
I did, but we could have done even more. Let me know how I did. This definitely is a labor of love as far as time, because it
Patience?
takes like solid 15, 20 minutes
Dude.
to melt all that cheese. But she is definitely a beaut, Clark.
Beaut, Clark is a beaut.
If you like dill pickles, you're going to love this one. Go more chips, too.
And all the cheese.
Oh, yeah. Let me know how I did in the comments. But speaking of comments, it is now time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
You made it. You did it. You survived the
Barely.
ultimate grill cheese.
Barely.
And now you're here. In the segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you guys write it.
We read it.
That's right. And then we have a little fun with it. So, let's start from the top in no particular
Gonna
order.
do one of those?
Yeah, it's a little bouncy shoulder. I don't know. We'll see. This is from Donald Healer.
Hey,
Donald
Donald.
says, quit trying to be funny and just do. Quit trying to hit me and hit me.
Nice.
Thank you. This is painful, period, to watch, period. Goodbye. No period. Donald, you're gone, so you don't know, but
See ya.
I just made the ultimate grilled cheese.
Right.
Don't you wish you would have hung around? Okay, this is from WV3. The WV3.
www.v3.
Yes, exactly. Says, CJ's videos are the only videos of the bunch that I watch every single episode.
Yeah.
Food should be fun, and CJ makes it fun. I've made everything from burgers to fried fish to chili to breakfast and more on my Blackstone. I just love to see folks have as much fun with their griddle as I have with mine.
Yeah.
Well, WV3.
W. That's great.
I appreciate that.
I'll take the W. I'll take one for the W.
Take one for the W.
The win.
You gotta go for the W.
It ain't worth winning if you can't win big.
Okay, man, we're on it. That was 2 today.
Yeah.
You could have been one of the greats.
Oh, this is from Randy Hodge. Randy,
Hey, Randy.
I'm gonna go ahead and start off by saying,
Macho Man, Randy Hodge.
oh yeah. I'm gonna say that you are wrong.
Uh-oh.
You are wrong, sir.
It's all there, black and white, clear as crystal.
You said you forgot to add the word breakfast in the description. Eggs do not belong on a burger nor burrito. Looks good, but I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
Okay, 2 points for the win at the end.
So number 1, technically not in the description, but in the video, multiple times I reference breakfast. In
He's
fact, the
saying
first 2 minutes of the video, I reference it like twice.
However, just because there's eggs in it doesn't make it breakfast. There's eggs in custard
Well, he says eggs don't belong on a burger, nor a burrito.
because they need to be called breakfast. I thought he was insinuating
That it was
eggs need breakfast. I don't know.
it was a breakfast loaded steak breakfast
He
burrito.
had a great quote in there.
Okay, fair enough.
All right, cheers to you.
I take it all back.
Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.
Okay, this is a fun one. It's a little journey. So this is
A
from
little journey like,
Don't Stop Believing.
That was so bad.
So dumb.
who said that? Who said that?
Oh, we got a slow
Oh, yeah.
clap. We got a slow clap. This is from Richard Tronson. Richard says, this is the worst Blackstone show, and I will quit getting Blackstone shows here. No punctuation whatsoever. To which someone right underneath, C-Dubs World says, bye, Felicia. To which Richard responds, what does she have to do with this? Still no punctuation. Then I get on and say, Richard, I'm assuming you hate the 80s. Or you hated the 80s. He says, no, I like the 80s, but the 60s had better music. Still no punctuation.
Ooh.
I don't
Arguable?
necessarily disagree with you on the music.
Debatable. Debatable.
But the 80s had some great stuff, like A Big Journey. Okay, Richard. Sorry, dude. I doubt that you're here. but pretend everything I just said had no punctuation. Can we do another one from Richard?
Same guy?
Yeah.
Wait, he's
I
back?
forgot. I didn't realize it was the same guy. Richard says, the steak burrito was good, but stay on the cooking and quit fooling around with other things, and you might have a good show. No punctuation. Underneath it, Eric Tube says, that kinda is the show.
True, goofing.
Richard says, then it's a very poor quality show.
Wow.
I said, bro, it's just what we do. We cook and we quote. And
he's not a fan of the goofing.
Richard says the show would be a lot better without the quotes.
Yeah.
Can we reverse bell this, please? Take that, Richard! Who's the one left? Whoa. You gave him a...
Well, you get mad at me when you have me bring it, and then you do it, and then you don't do it, and then you get mad at me either way.
All right, the last one here. This is from Eager48.
Hey, Eager.
Says, I would actually watch this without the cutaways. Dang. There's a lot of comments on the cutaways.
Should we have a no cutaway episode?
Sure.
Ooh. Leave it in the comments. Should we have a no cutaway episode?
We do. It's called My Show.
Your show is not nearly as cool.
Nick has a show?
Oh, yeah.
That's enough out of you.
Leave it in the comments.
Why I oughta.
If I get 100 no cutaways.
No cutaways? Don't do this. Don't do this unless you mean it. Can't triple stamp a double stamp.
150. 150 no cutaways.
125.
Independent, not like dual people, the same one person saying it.
You can't change it.
I can make up any rule I want. It was literally my rule.
We'll have a show
150.
with no cutaways.
150 comments.
What if we had a show that was all cutaways?
Leave it in the comments.
One comment, we'll do that one.
That's right.
Yeah. It broke again.
I think it's not that difficult of a job.
We're hiring.
And that is it, my friends. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all things Blackstone. Go to griddlenation.com where you can get a bunch of shirts, stickers, swag, the goods. If you want to put something up on the OG board, slide into my DMs on Instagram. I'll give you an address. Because, I don't know, that's what everybody, all the cool kids like, slide up into my DMs.
I guess.
No? Okay. Message me on Instagram.
That's much nicer.
Okay. But in the meantime, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right. We'll see you guys later.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ.